Brit with coronavirus has filmed himself having vicious coughing fit with tears streaming down his face. Justin Williams, 49, said his crazy fever was giving him hallucinations and he couldn't get up. He expressed feeling frightened as he lives alone and had to get an ambulance to come out and check on him. Justin, from Kingswood, said the illness knocks you for six, describing his condition as like waking dream. He posted his story on public Facebook group which has been shared more than 1,000 times as warning to people to listen to the government's rules and get off the streets. "I've had the ambulance out because live alone and it frightened me," Justin wrote yesterday. "The fever was giving me hallucinations and couldn't get up. Because live alone left my doors unlocked." Sitting in dark room alone in the footage, Justin says he doesn't know what to do with himself. At one point he appears to be struggling to breathe as the cough keeps returning. Justin told how he eats healthily, swims every day, and has good lungs. He warned people to take care and listen to advice by getting off the streets. "I don't know where got this and you aren't going to know where you got it either and you're going to take it home without knowing you've got it," he warned. He told people they do not need loo roll, but that it's paracetamol that he's needed most. Justin said his illness started with swollen glands and sore throat. The fever and coughing followed and it got to the point where he couldn't even roll himself out of bed. He asked people to check in and call those who live alone. Around 24 hours after his post, Justin posted an update saying thankfully had made turnaround and his symptoms were feeling much more manageable.